Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. Oh boy, we're having fun. We are having fun, and I think everybody knows this. I have a new camera person. She's not my only camera person. I have more than one. I think, at least 3 different folks that I can call on and say, I gotta do a video, I got this stuff done, you gotta come over. Anyway, she's doing a really nice job. But I asked her for all her suggestions. And of course, she's giving them to me. And one of her biggest suggestions was, would I please show the t-shirts at the beginning of the video? I said, why? She said, I think you should be selling more of them. I said, oh, okay. So we're showing our t-shirts first. Now, any of these shirts that you like are available. And all you have to do is type in pacificmike.com, and that's our website. You go to our website, and in the upper right-hand corner, it says T-shirt store. Click on that and do what the instructions tell you, and you can easily order a T-shirt. Or a Pacific Mike baseball cap, which is embroidered. Anyway, the shirts that we have are the ones she's showing right now. And you can see them. We wear them. I like them. Anyway, that's what I wanted to say first. And now I'm going to get ready to show the things we're going to show tonight. Now I've been doing a top end. On my shovel head. I got the cylinders done, I showed that, I cleaned up the pistons. We'll be seeing them again as I assemble all these things. But you know, as long as the heads are off, I really want to do a real cleanup on them. And I want to lap the valves. I know they're not worn out. Nothing was really bad. I really took this thing apart because it was leaking so much. But here's the cylinder heads, and any time you do a cylinder head, one of the best things you can do to keep yourself in order is get yourself a 2x4, drill 4 holes in it, and as you take the valves out of the head, you can put them in that board, and then you won't lose things. So here we have a valve remover tool. And it will, there we go. Now this is the front head, and this is the front intake valve. Okay. So we'll get that squashed down there a little bit. Get the keepers out. Come on, keeper. It's not my brother's keeper. Okay. There we go. That's out of there. Okay, once we take the keeper out, and on the next one, I'm going to ask the camera person to get a little closer so she can show the keeper as I take it out, and I'll do that on the next valve. Okay, we'll get it so we show it a little bit better. Okay, see, as I back all this off, then I can take the tool out of there. Now again, this is the front intake valve. Therefore, we've got all the stuff here. And this is the spacer.
Okay, now you're going. Oh, I can't do
and there it is. All the spacers. Okay. There we go. Well, shucks. I want to get all this stuff stacked the way it's supposed to be stacked. This on the bottom, this on the top. And this on the bottom. Okay. We get that valve out of there. Here is the front intake valve. There we go. I like to put them in there. Thank you. Okay. I don't know why it's been so long since I've done this, but there is the front intake, and we will get the front exhaust out of here next. These were very carefully spaced for the weird cam I was using, and Mr. David Mackey did those for me quite a while back. I said, it doesn't sound right to me. Anyway, he got done with it, and it was pretty neat. All right, so here we are. Now I want you to show in here, if you can show it. Can you, how's that? Okay, you want to come down at it so you can show the valve keepers in there? In the, well, let's see, I have a screwdriver right here. And here's the keepers from that. Okay. All right. Now, as soon as we get this one done, which will just be a couple minutes here, all right. There it is. You know, these are big, awkward clamps. We used to use much smaller ones years ago, but they weren't as strong and nice as these. I have another one up there on the wall just for doing flatheads. It's pretty cool. All right. So now we're going to take this one out, just like that, just like that. Get these spacers out of here. Okay. And this is the rear exhaust, which goes right here. I put the rear intake, or front intake. Okay, it's front intake, this is front exhaust. That's better. Okay. And there we have it. And we got the keepers out of that one. So there we have it. We've got both valves out. And just for fun now, we can take a look at this intake valve. Should have brought a light out here, but this front intake valve looks like it's seating just fine. You see all around this edge here. Okay? And if we look at the seat itself, it looks nice. What I'm going to do is clean them up, hand lap them, and I'll show hand lapping when we get to it, which will be as soon as I get these heads cleaned up. These are really nice heads. People ask about these heads all the time because I have 3 stud exhaust here. These are STD heads. They are a really nice high performance head, and I've run them for quite a while on my bike. And I wouldn't say my bike is the fastest thing going, but it's no slouch. It's cool. I'm proud of her. So that's it. The other thing I wanted to show, of course, is we're going to put new valve seals on. So I had to get my super special valve seal remover, which you take just like that. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth a little bit, and they'll come right off. Usually. Of course, I say that, and then it won't happen with everyone watching. Told you it wouldn't work. Let's go here. Let's see here. And off it comes. It's coming right off. And there it is. No harm, no foul. Guide looks perfect. Okay. Okay, so we've got the valves out. We've got one more seal to take off. And that's it. This thing will be ready to put into the sonic cleaner. Sonic cleaners are cool because you can clean your sonics in them. No, wait a minute. That's not right. Anyway, so that'll do it for now. Next time you see these heads, they should be clean right out of the sonic cleaner. And we'll lap the valves. And until then, I'll see you out on the road.